In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Leledc levels in TradingView Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get these levels onto your chart so you can start using them right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and any indicators you've added or favorited. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box near the top. This is important because there are a lot of indicators in TradingView, and searching is the fastest way to find what you need. Move your mouse to that search box and click on it to activate it. You'll know it's active when your cursor is blinking inside the box and you're ready to type. Now type in Leledc Levels exactly as you expect it to appear. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the list of indicators in real time. Give it a second if your connection is a bit slow, then look through the results that appear underneath. You're looking for the specific Leledc Levels indicator. Once you see it in the list, hover over it and click it one time. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. After the indicator is added, you should see the Leledc levels appear directly on your chart. These may show up as horizontal lines, zones, or levels, depending on how the script is designed. If you want to customize how they look, you can move your cursor over the indicator name at the top left of the chart, click on the settings icon next to it, and adjust things like colors, line thickness, or visibility. This is optional, but it can make the levels easier to read and better suited to your personal chart style. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want to unlock the full experience with more indicators, more alerts, and better tools, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel and lets you follow along with the same setup you're seeing here.